Vietnam Veterans Memorial is one of the most innovative and controversial memorials ever designed. It was completed on November 13, 1982, and is located on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. Maya Lin was an architecture and sculpture student at Yale when she entered the contest to design the memorial. Her design was deemed the best of over 1,400 entries. She won because her V-shaped wall was reflective of nature, harmonious with the site, and included names of all the casualties. However, many people tried to stop the construction of Maya Lin's memorial wall. They believed that the monument did not glorify the men who died to the extent they deserved. Critics wanted an elaborate memorial to commemorate their loved ones instead of a simple wall. The design of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial is unorthodox. It is modern because it does not use the classic elements of architecture like columns or obliques. However, Maya Lin's design is much more reflective. The monument's design is contemporary and not just a statue. This makes people feel like the hurt of the war is not in the past and must be remembered. 58,000 names engraved on the wall make the tragedy of the lost lives seem real to everyone who visits the site. Lin called the memorial a polished cut in the earth that symbolizes the hole left by the Vietnam War. By putting the names in chronological order, Lin created a closed time frame that allows a veteran to find his time within the period. This makes the memorial special for every individual who comes to visit. The center of the journey at the memorial begins at the apex of the wall where the dates are 1959 and 1975, the beginning and end of the war. The path allows people to reflect on the natural environment and allows the viewer to feel privileged. The black granite that is used creates a somber effect because it is dark and people can see themselves in its reflection. This lets people see how the casualties of the Vietnam War play a role in their life. The gentle slope in the path allows for a view of the Lincoln Memorial and Washington Monument while one walks along the wall. People can remember the sacrifices others made for a better life in the United States while reflecting at the memorial. Maya Lin was able to make the viewer of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial feel remembrance by being there.